Good day everyone. Today I'll be discussing collaborated effort of local LGUs, province and the Department of Education and the CHED to come up with programs and activities which will enrich our sense of history that we all have to be proud of. Highlighting the importance of history, quote by Skewers. History is the foundation upon which we build our present and future. Understanding our past fosters a strong sense of identity, pride, and national unity. This means that history shapes a nation, character, and strengthens cultural identity. By knowing the past, people can understand how society has evolved and what lessons can be applied to the present. The partnership between local government units, the provincial government, the Department of Education, and the Commission on Higher Education to create a programs that we enhance the understanding and appreciation of history among Filipinos. A nation with a strong historical identity is more united, resilient, and aware of its cultural heritage. The partners first is local government units and provincial government. Local LGUs help organize historical programs, exhibit, and initiatives that connect local communities to their heritage. 2. Department of Education, DepEd Order Number 20, the integration of historical education into school curricula ensure that students understand their past and significance. 3. Commission on Higher Education, Republic Act Number 7722, CHED support higher education institutions in conducting research, developing resources, and providing historical training to educators. Programs and activities. Example of potential programs and activities. Historical exhibits and museum. Managed by National Museum of the Philippines to showcase artifacts and historical narratives. Educational tours and field trips organized by National Historical Commission of the Philippines to bring students closer to history. Workshop and seminars hosted by organizations like Philippine Historical Association to educate the public about national history. Oral History Project conducted by the University of Philippines Center of Oral History to document person and community experiences. Interrogation of local history in school. DepEd or DepEd number 20 support incorporating regional and community histories into school curricula. Online resources and digital archives developed by the National Library of the Philippines to provide access to historical documents. Expected expected outcomes increase awareness and understanding of Philippines history. People become more informed, which leads to a stronger appreciation of historical events, enhanced sense of national pride and identity. When people feel connected to their history, they become more active in national development and governance, creating greater appreciation for cultural heritage. Republic Act Number 10066. This initiative preserve and promote the Philippines' rich cultural heritage, boosting tourism and economic development, empowered community participants, strengthen civic engagement and historical consciousness. Call to action: encourage participation and support. Everyone plays a role in promoting history, from educators to local citizens, highlighting the importance of preserving history for future generations. Preserving ensure that lessons from the past help shape the country's future. Encouraging participants and support highlights the importance of preserving history for future generations. Conclusion: reiterating the importance. That's all and that's all and thank you.